Tony, Slick, Gino, and Tin. Boys Night Out. Magic 89.9.
Today's best music, Magic 89.9. Yeah, man. They're listening and watching. Sarah. 9:38 on the clock. The boys are out tonight on definitely a Kamote Night Thursday. My name is Slick Rick.
This is Tony.
Jojo Love Survivor.
Look at this boy.
Buwan ng wika.
Yeah.
Kamusta?
Wika ng...
Okay lang, ayos lang. Yeah.
Kamusta, Jo?
Ayos
Wika
lang.
ng buwan.
Buwan ng wika. Buwan ng wika. August. Buwan ng wika.
Are you sure?
August, yeah.
Magaling.
Yeah.
Magaling si kapatid.
Kamusta ang bahay? Buhay.
Buhay. Okay naman. Kumusta? Ayos na buhay.
May bahay ka na?
Wala pang bahay.
Oh.
Doon pa rin ka?
Doon pa rin.
Sa Pateros?
Pateros pa rin. Doon pa rin tayo.
Oh.
Kamusta ang trabaho?
Okay lang. Maayos naman. Nasa mabuting kalagayan.
Yeah, you look good.
Yeah.
Did you lose weight? You lost weight.
Kumain ka na?
I know. I just ate some egg lang. Egg lang one. Boiled egg. And then, yeah.
Ano pa?
Oh, speaking of egg, did you see in the news? I think it was a couple of weeks ago. A man sold his testicle for
I saw that.
9.7 million pesos, $150,000 US.
Wow.
So, Joe, bilyonaryo ka na.
Would you sell,
Bilyonaryo ka na.
will you sell your balls?
Yeah, I can sell my balls.
You one or two?
Isa lang.
Isa lang. So 9.7 million pesos, ha?
Okay, so which one would you sell? The left or the right? Which one?
Maybe the left siguro.
So in between your legs, Joe, you really have almost 20 million pesos.
You're a millionaire, bro.
Wow.
Yeah, between your legs.
But you cannot never impregnate women, di ba? Di ka
No.
Pagka if you don't have egg anymore in your...
You have one ball, at least.
With one, you can. Actually, there is enough testosterone. I actually read the article. You have enough testosterone to impregnate and still get hard with one testicle.
Pwede pala yun.
You can.
So the spermies can still be alive. Is that your goal? You want to get someone pregnant?
Sana, meron. Wala pa naman.
Patay tayo.
Well, swipe. Are you still online dating?
They're still there.
Okay, because they had a Cosmo came out with an article, the 5 guys that you avoid on online dating, and you fit all of them.
Wow.
The love bomber, the scammer, the creepy guy, the horny devil. You fit all of them.
Yeah.
You know what? That's amazing. Usually guys would maybe hit 2, but you hit all 5. Yeah, and you special.
Mahirap din.
Iba ka,
Are you dating anyone now?
Wala.
It's been a while, you know.
Pa rin.
Are you changing your name from Love Survivor to
Jarlo?
just Heart? Are you changing it? I heard.
Yeah.
I heard that you attended agency seminar and they told you to change your name because hindi ka na Love Survivor.
Just Jarlo.
You know what you should be Double J.
Double J? JJ?
No, Double J. You're gonna be like our junior jocks.
No,
That's the worst thing you do.
You're Harlow the Jacolero.
The Jacks. The Jarl Jacks.
But you can be
The Jackal. You can be the Jackal.
Wow.
Di ba, that's si Jago Jackal.
Jigo Jacolero?
Jigo Abante.
Jigo
Gigolo. Jackalero. There you go.
But you can be the Jackal.
That would have been your radio partner if you stayed with Abante.
Yeah, Jigo Gicolo.
But now, bago na yung pangalan niya eh.
Jigo Postolero na.
Postolero. His last name.
Last name.
Tama. More serious na
More
siya.
serious na siya eh. Wala.
Boo.
He tried to copy the brand of Braganza eh.
Hindi pwede.
Sayang.
Hi to our playback listeners and viewers. Welcome to another episode. Crazy news. If you guys didn't hear, in the Senate yesterday, someone was caught by the OSA smoking marijuana, or at least someone smoking marijuana. They smelled
supposedly
remnants of marijuana. You know that, Joe?
Yeah.
When's the last time you take?
When you're ready.
Patay. Oh my God.
I was taking
You liar.
What the hell?
It's not at my wedding.
No.
Were you with Sam?
No. I went with
Who are you with? Sabihin mo na. Oh. Sino kasama mo?
Sam!
Yeah, I went with Sam. I remember that.
Our boy catching strays. Look at that. This guy's not even this.
I love you're so honest.
This guy's not on the show.
You know what? You should run for public office.
You know what?
I
Padilla
will
is going to
vote
get
for
you
you.
ass.
over Diskaya. I will vote for you over Diskaya.
No, kasi I remember that sa
I think
Batangas.
Vico would also vote for you.
In Batangas, that night, I was with Tony. Tony was another girl that night. And then,
Sina, what's her name?
wala, that's
What's her name?
That's the
What's her name?
Can I say it? No. May
asawa
May
na.
asawa na.
Kung gusto mo mabugbog, I don't mind.
May asawa na eh. Nasa mabuting kalagayan.
Actually, I'm okay. Baka ibugbog ka eh.
Yun lang, delikado. But I was there.
Okay.
I vividly remember that night. Kasi grabe yun. Sobrang...
So what was the... What did the hit feel like to you?
iba eh. Parang when you hypnot...
Paano? Show the camera.
Gunan eh. Pagka-hit mo ng marijuana, iba yung kani.
Diba?
Iba eh. There's something, the power...
I hope Padea's watching us right now.
No. Meron siyang...
This is our example number one right
I
here.
hope Padea's watching and your bosses are watching and you might get fired
No.
tomorrow.
In-
You might be out of a job
No.
tomorrow.
In Canada, di ba?
No.
It's
You
illegal.
could
It's-
literally be out of a job
No,
tomorrow.
it's illegal, di ba?
It's illegal here.
It's illegal here.
Illegal in Canada.
It's
in Ca-
illegal here.
Yeah.
Are you in Canada?
No. But I honestly we try with
You trying to get? How you trying to get? You don't even get, bro.
no. And
You are so in trouble.
no maraming
Stop it, man, before you incriminate yourself.
No, you already incriminated himself.
Before you dig deeper.
Oh my God.
This guy's talking about smoking marijuana
No.
and now buying.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
I'm not buying. I experienced that before.
Ah,
Are you gonna say who you were with? Don't na.
he already did.
He mentioned Sam.
No.
Nandamay ka pa.
Hindi.
Who's been out of the show for 2 years.
If I'm going down, we're all going down.
O tapos.
It's like kan naman. I
asked him how did it feel.
Honestly, it feels like parang iba yung pakiramdam mo talaga. It's like
Sige nga, kasi never ko pa na-try eh. Never pa. Explain mo sa akin kung
It looked
paano.
like he was having a stroke when you said
So describe mo to someone who has never experienced
parang
it.
siyang parang iba yung amoy it's like something like but parang
Nature?
Parang iba nature, parang siyang damo na sinunog.
Kasi yun talaga siya.
Damo talaga siya.
Damo talaga siya, tapos sinusunog siya. Oo.
Iba siya.
Damo!
Iba yung kanya. But we're not recommended.
I would no, that bad yan.
But kaya based in my experience lang.
Illegal yan. Pero
Illegal.
Yeah, you
So-
say no.
Yan.
So, is it Nadine Montenegro was...
Nadia.
Nadia.
Sino si Nadine?
So
Nandamay
Nadia
ka pa.
Montenegro was summoned to actually explain herself, and she said that it was a vape daw that she had. And this comes up to this tuklaw. Is this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
So
What
now-
is that? I saw that. I saw people were posting it. What is it?
I know I've seen kids using it. In
Jojo was
So
actually
it's-
Ano mo yung
explaining.
tuklaw?
Yeah.
Na-try
It's
mo na
like a
yun?
black cigarette that smells funky.
Okay.
Like-
ba?
But
And-
it's a cigar.
no,
There's
yeah.
it's a drug.
So it's laced. I don't know if it's meth. I don't know if it's
damn.
fentanyl. I don't know.
Damn.
As in you hallucinate.
harsh.
Yeah.
As in.
Na-try mo na yun, Joe?
Ewan
No,
ko
no,
nga
no.
kung may-
Sure ka?
I have seen that in Jessica Soho, yung documentary. It's very
Yeah. Do not.
Joe, wag
Yeah.
Tuklaw, man.
If anyone offers you, you say no.
Just say no, Joe.
So apparently it's all over TikTok. These kids are like showing how they got it. They were telling they were sharing how they got it. There's a video on it. Everyone's like all these kids in the province. It's
So
like,
they get high
so
on it
now they're
talaga.
thinking that it's a syndicate pushing it.
Oh.
Right. So yeah. Whatever you do, please, parents, warn your kids if they see a black cigarette and someone's offering them, do not. We don't know what they're saying. That's chemicals.
Yeah, you don't know what's in it.
Yeah, a whole bunch of they can lose it. They friggin'
They can lose their mind.
Damn, cray.
It's worse than the basic marijuana. Mas malala. As in, it's
So
really
they're
bad.
saying it's laced with meth or
We don't know. I when I get, I'll let you know.
Sige.
Sige.
Bigyan mo si Jojo.
So ingat lang.
I'll videotape it for you.
But speaking of things that are legal that you can take,
Yan!
And to help you out,
this
Okay, this brand has helped me out so many nights.
really.
It has saved me many nights.
What do you mean by saved you many nights?
Introduce them first para I can make kwenta.
so here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Since it's going to be this coming
All right.
Saturday, we're
That's
gonna,
right. Millennial Night at Silo. And then tomorrow, of course, is Emo Night. Sunod-sunod ako, I Need You.
So Tin is gonna
So
be
bad.
drinking this
And
whole
tonight I'm gonna
weekend.
be in Tomas Morato.
Anong gagawin mo doon?
Russell.
Russell's album launch at 2 a.m. pala. It
Damn.
would push back. I'm like, oh my God.
Because he wants you there.
Gosh.
But ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our friends from Condition. Hello, hello.
Hello, gentlemen.
We have a doctor in the house.
Yeah.
Oo, doctor ka?
Yeah, I'm a
Did you
doctor.
invent this? Charot.
How I wish.
Introduce yourself.
We have Doc Miko, is it?
Yes.
Doc Miko, and he's with his whole gang.
I didn't know you were a doctor.
I don't look like one, I guess.
He looks very...
Hindi, kasi nung nakita kita, hindi ka doctor-like mo siya.
He was just a guest. Ikaw
Oh,
naman.
they're having fun.
you didn't know he was a
I was a
doctor.
friend.
Oh, okay, all right.
So common friends.
Okay, so for those that don't know, what is Condition, first and foremost?
Okay, so Condition basically is a anti-hangover product. It's from Korea. It's been there for the past 30 years. It's
Tagal na, ha?
30 na pala.
30 years.
Bakit ngayon lang siya sumisikat?
Actually, sa atin lang naman wala eh.
Talaga?
So it's everywhere else.
Now Korea, they're the biggest brand there.
Okay.
They own for 51% of the market share.
Nice.
Because it's
Hangover
really
products.
part of their culture, right?
Yes. So
is
it's part of their
taking this
culture.
and then drinking.
Yeah. So even in Japan and Korea, this is
Okay.
basically part of it. Like when they think of drinking, they're going to have this right before. So if you talk to any Korean, they know. Like they'll have we have two products. It's one is like a jelly stick, and then the other one's a drink.
Okay.
They usually have the drink before, and then usually now what they do is actually they even take the sticks during and after.
So-
May FU. Follow up with the sticks.
Oh, wow.
They just want to make sure that they get that they're,
So
they're
what's
working tomorrow.
For those that what it's a gel. The substance.
Dalawa siya. The other one is a drink.
Can you show us so the
Yeah.
people that are online?
I've only tried the gel. So never ko pa na-try yung drink.
Yeah, the gel's the one that I gave
Yeah.
Tin, the apple.
Actually, their OG product is the drink.
Oh.
Okay, it's the one that's been there for the past 30 years.
These are the ones I see in Korean
Yeah,
shops.
Korean,
Yes.
and Korean novellas as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like just at the cash right by the
Okay.
point of sale.
Ito yung na-try ko na, the apple.
It's basically an impulse buy. So their OG product is just drink. They've had that for the past 30 years.
I've never seen this.
That's what I
Okay.
see at the corner in Capitolio. Eh.
This
There
one,
does that.
it's a good drink, guys. I'm telling you, like
Okay.
it actually tastes really good.
So before you drink this whole thing.
You can take it. Yeah, one of that is enough.
Okay.
For the sticks, you can take one or two.
Okay.
That's what the company will actually advise you to do that. You can take it 20 minutes before drinking. But I guess from personal experience as well, a lot of people don't remember to take it before, so they can take it during. But at
Okay
the
lang.
very least, take one before you sleep. Because that's the whole point of it.
Okay, so
anyway.
why does this so effective? What's in it?
Yeah, why does it work?
So the main ingredient there is what they call Jovinia dulcis. It's an Oriental raisin tree extract.
Jovinia.
Dulces.
Jojo, what is it?
Jovinia Dulces.
Nice one, John.
Dulces.
What tastes it? Anong lasa nito?
Masarap.
Drink
Yeah,
it.
well, try.
Ayan, I've never tried. But
You
the
can- you can
stick.
take-
Sige,
you
try
can
mo,
actually
Jo.
take it now.
Then describe it,
There's
Jo.
no problem there.
Drink it all.
Ano lasa?
Matamis siya.
Yeah.
Para siyang honeybee.
Honeybee.
You taste the honeybee?
You
Nakakain
tasted
ka
the
na ng
honeybee?
honeybee?
Bee.
Bee.
Parang
Oh, honey.
Honey or honey?
Bubuyog.
Mali yung word na tinanggal ko
You
eh.
tasted the bubuyog.
Nakakaloka ka
Ayun,
siya.
wet ng bubuyog.
No.
How'd you taste the bee? Not the honey?
No, matamis siya na parang malapot na di mo maintindihan eh.
Parang syrup siya.
syrup yan.
Yeah, it's like a herbal tea.
Okay.
I would say it's like plum juice. The closest thing to me is like a plum juice.
Plum juice.
Plum juice
That's
parang
the closest to thing.
Okay, so this doesn't have to
be.
be like refrigerated. They can just as
It's better,
is.
just on a preference basis.
Ah,
You don't
okay.
have to.
To each his own.
And this is all safe.
Yes.
You drink one of these, you can drink even two of these, or
can.
Yeah,
You can.
Okay.
Do you think
from-
overkill yung dalawa?
I think for me, at least, just take one. Because at least, again, personal experience, one works. Like, mixed drinks, if you're
Hard.
taking tequila, whiskey, wine, doing anything, one works.
Okay.
For the stick, again, 1 to 2. Like, at most, because sometimes people really go, like, because they find it like candy already. So it becomes addictive to them for the night.
Doc,
Masarap siya, to be fair.
tequila.
Oo.
My friend,
Yes.
my friend drinks. She's hardcore drinker. Medyo pasaway.
I'm confident.
From-
That
Yeah?
will
You
work.
remember Gino's surprise party? Di ba we had so
Yes.
much tequila? I took one before and I was
Where was that?
fine. Revel!
Oh.
Rocky Oki.
Yeah. And everyone was like, bakit ang usually, di ba? I'm like,
Yeah.
ayoko. I say no to shots. But I was like, confident ako. And it worked!
Yeah, because we all had dinner before.
Yes.
I'm gonna test this out.
We had dinner.
Francesca.
Go ahead.
Now, how'd you guys discover this? I mean, how'd you guys
Okay.
obviously you have
Bring
to-
it here.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's the whole story. So my dad is also a doctor.
Mm-hmm.
Why are all doctors drinkers?
Stressful.
Stress.
Actually, what he did was, so the mother company from Korea, they have multiple production lines. So they actually have a pharmaceutical as well. So that's the only reason why my dad was invited. So he became a speaker for them in Korea. So then when he was there, had a fellowship night, they started drinking and they started giving it out.
Yun.
So my dad, just for pasalubong wise,
Yeah.
Kind of
bought for
wondered
me.
what it was.
So I said, since you're talking to them, this is a very interesting product. There's nothing like it here.
Yeah.
So if you can get me to the discussions with them, maybe we can bring it here. 1 year back and forth of emails.
Galing.
And then they eventually reached out again.
Galing.
And
Said, okay,
now
na.
they're here. So,
Okay, someone off playback is asking, is there any side effects?
So, okay, on a chronic basis, no side effects.
Okay.
At least from the literature that we have, like scientifically.
Over the
medically.
years, over the 30 years,
Yes.
you've conducted studies.
Yeah.
Wala.
Like
Okay.
there's nothing that has
Buhay
been
pa sila?
serious. Yeah.
Okay.
Everyone's
ano.
okay.
Yeah.
But then again, like on my perspective as a doctor, anything can still cause nausea, can still cause some GI disturbances, just like some rumbling in your stomach. You can always have that because sometimes, it's a case-to-case basis. You don't know how much your stomach can take.
So, when you take this, should you eat muna and then take this? Or is it okay with
No
empty
need.
stomach?
Yeah, anything will work. Yeah, you can take it without with a full stomach or none.
Okay.
Okay, so what's the SRP for the bottle and the sticks?
So the bottle goes for 130 because technically it's a bit more. The stick is 100 pesos per stick. Yeah.
and then you guys are available where?
So we're available Shopee, Lazada, Watson's is also there, Lawson, select stores as well. But yeah, those are the major retailers and no brand as well. Yeah. And Korean marts. The Korean marts,
the
obviously,
Korean.
Yeah.
We're also there. We're also there.
Sobrang reliant ko dito na when I don't have and I'm drinking, pinapagrab ko. Hindi pa kita kilala nun eh. Sorry ah.
Ngayon,
Now,
Ngayon!
may plug.
As in, I really, nahanap ko talaga naghahanap ako ng Korean Mart sa Grab to see if they have.
Pwede ka maging endorser.
Nung kalakasan ko ngayon, medyo hindi.
Tayo na lang. Eto, si Charm has a question, Tones, at the bottom.
How many can you take in one day? I'm planning to party hard in Boracay.
Wow, Charm.
again, the ideal one is one of the bottles or two of the stick if you want. But again, from personal experience, you can take.
So you
two
can
or
go
three.
consecutive days back to back drinking this. Let's say you're drinking
fine.
Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
You go weekend bender.
One a day.
Walwalan, pwede.
Yeah.
Naalala mo dati nung wala pa to? People would say, drink B+. Pagka may,
Vitamin B.
vitamin B. Parang ganun din.
Again, actually, so this product actually has a lot of ingredients. So there has some B complexes there. There's also some amino acids in it that will help some detoxification. So again, also one thing that's the reason why we also promote it is because there's some liver detoxification factors in it as well. Because alcohol again is a direct toxin to your liver. So what it does is when you get your alcohol, it goes to your liver, it becomes what we call acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde is the reason you get your hangovers. That's where you get your nausea, your vomiting, your vertigo, and all of these things. What condition does is it will bring your acetaldehyde levels in your blood down.
So it manages it better.
Yeah. So you're really bringing the culprit of your hangovers down.
Okay, nice. Look at that. I mean, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
I think a lot of people they need this.
Ang dami na excite sa playback.
Doc, itong pag umiinom ako, nagiging may whiskey dick ako.
Oh my God.
Whiskey dick.
Ano tong condition ba?
Will it block that effect?
Pwede ba na?
I
That
cannot.
is something I don't have information on.
You cannot relate.
Try mo.
Tones shall research that.
Try mo to.
And
Nasa video ba yan?
we'll get back to you, Doc. See what happens.
But sincerely, like if anyone's listening and you're like, kasi ako din eh, when I first heard about it, I was like, how can that be real? So when I tried it, totoo talaga siya. So I promise. Tried and tested.
Yes.
I I only used one. And I had siguro mga, no joke siguro mga 15 shots that night. Gino's birthday. No joke.
And then he passed out the Red Bull then.
I didn't have any. Because I didn't want to, I didn't want to stay up.
man.
I didn't want to stay up.
But then I woke up next morning. I was fine. And I was
fine.
surprised. I was like, "Oh,
Completely fine. Parang wala.
yes."
May konting pagod kasi syempre we went home late. Pero hangover, wala. Amazing.
Actually, the one thing that we usually get is that people feel a bit tired the next day, and they confuse it with a hangover. It's like, actually, no, that's you're really just tired.
just tired.
You're just tired.
Napuyat ka siguro,
Yeah.
diba?
Yeah. So actually, I would tell people to actually take Pocari Sweat, Gatorade. You can take it. You can still
So
take
electrolytes talaga.
that will help the tiredness.
Okay.
At least your fatigue from the night before, that will help.
Okay,
Just in case.
so like, say someone's going out tonight, they can take this maybe 20 minutes before they drink, or does it wear off? For example, say they take it at 8 p.m. but then they're going out midnight. Is that okay? Or it should be medyo closer to
30
the
minutes
time.
It should be a bit closer to that. I would say still be a bit closer to that.
Do you think that's why they made the gel? Kasi medyo hassle to dalhin di ba?
Yeah. So the gel just came out 5
Pwede
years
mo lang
ago.
siyang ibaon anywhere,
It's
di
the
ba?
most convenient thing.
Yeah.
Put it in your
Ito,
bag.
wala. Medyo...
Doc, pwede ba inumin
They
to kahit
stop
di
you.
ka
Yo.
umiinom?
Yes. Pwedeng inumin yan kahit hindi ka umiinom. Like,
okay.
even if you're not gonna take alcohol, you can still take it. Again, it still has that liver detoxification thing.
So it's more of a detox talaga
Detox
on an
talaga.
everyday basis.
Pwede.
You can do
Again,
maintenance.
Is it something for maintenance? We won't say that's a prescription drug. Definitely not. But it will help in that sense because the active ingredient there has already multiple studies from University of South Carolina, USC. In SoCal, we have a lot of studies from China coming there that it really decreases your inflammation in your liver.
Oh my gosh.
Pwede.
Yeah.
Inflammation is the word I need.
you hate inflammation.
Yeah.
I hate inflammation.
So once again, if you guys just tuned
I'm a
in,
big-
it's called Condition. Okay,
Condition. So they
it's
come
really-
in two forms.
Condition.
One is the condition stick, and the other one is the drink in a bottle. Again, when I traveled, I forgot to bring. Naghanap pa ako sa Hong Kong.
Ilang
Ganun
flavor-
ako ka-fan.
Ilang flavors? What's your favorite?
I've only tried the apple.
Apple. Okay.
Creature of habit ako.
Actually, so in Korea, there's actually two more flavors. So there's a mango and a guava flavor.
Oh.
So that's in the works. We're bringing it in.
Nice.
They obviously wanted to test out the
Mango
waters.
and guava.
Mango is the best. I've had it.
It's better than
Yeah.
the apple.
Yes.
Kasi ito sarap na sarap ako dito eh.
I can only imagine. That
So when is that coming?
sounds pretty good.
We're still waiting on the papers.
Okay.
But again, it's already in the works that we're bringing.
Okay,
Because
okay.
again, we just launched last year of September. So it's relatively new.
Oh,
especially
Sobrang
to the
bago niyo
market.
palang pala dinala.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're still trying to create that demand.
The buzz.
Yeah.
But then, are you guys like on Instagram, TikTok?
Yeah, we're on Instagram here.
Okay.
We have our social media coordinator. So we're on Instagram on condition_ph. We're also on Facebook and TikTok as well.
Condition_ph.
pH.
Okay. Also, for those that, what about those that turn red? Di ba may alcohol?
Okay.
They have an allergic reaction to alcohol, right?
Yeah, the Asian flush.
Asian
What they
flush,
say.
yeah.
So Asian flush, if you're gonna take it into technicalities, what happens is that they lack a certain enzyme,
Yun. Okay.
alcohol dehydrogenase. They lack that. Now, what this does though is that it enhances alcohol dehydrogenase. So will it really affect it? Theoretically, no.
Okay.
But I have had people who say that they don't have flush because they take it. So there might be just a lack of it. Maybe they might have just a small amount of that enzyme, certain enzyme, and then conditions there to just help the efficiency of the
Okay.
enzyme. So
It's not as they're not as flushed,
yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So, mga konyo friends mo sa Alabang.
My Alabang peeps.
Southeast.
Southeast.
Is there there's another question? Yeah, I'll play back.
Meron ba para sa malakas magpulutan tapos walang ambag?
Lason.
Oh my God, Joman.
Lason.
Nakaloka ka.
Ay, Doc, pwede ba ito sa mga diabetes, high blood?
Yes.
Oh yeah, that's a good question.
No sugar content if this is not too much. But then again, if you're diabetic, as doctors, we're really not going to tell you to take anything with sugar. But still, it's still not that. It's not too much to take it. So you
How
can
many
still-
calories per sachet?
If I'm not mistaken, 30.
Okay, that's
30
not so bad at all.
calories.
Not bad at all.
Pwede.
It's not like you're gonna care when you start drinking,
Again,
right?
True.
one glass is
Yeah.
already like 3 times.
Exactly. You're like, just drink.
And then this one is 30 also. The drink is 30 as well.
So for those that have low tolerance on alcohol, a lot of people obviously starting out pa lang or going back
Or
to
maybe
drinking.
their first time.
Yeah. Some will say that, actually I heard from Tin last time that you don't get that tipsy.
Yeah.
So again, it's a case-to-case basis for that specific reason. Because sometimes, well, majority of the time, what people have is that when people take it, they still get tipsy. So actually, our slogan is still join the fun, because you can still have that.
Yeah.
You still have that feeling of being a bit.
Join the fun. You know,
Fun, skip the hangover.
Hindi ako laging wala. Like, that night, Gino's birthday, yun wala ako naramdaman. But the other times that I drank it, meron naman.
Okay.
But ang consistent is, wala talaga ako hangover.
I think the most important is the next day.
Yeah.
It's-
When you want to be functional.
It's the recovery period as you get older.
Yeah.
It's a tougher one.
You're not as obviously. You're not optimizing yourself.
Yeah.
You just want to sleep. Or
Yeah, I
you just-
think there's a shift now when it comes to alcohol consumption nowadays.
Yep.
Especially because people are now leading towards responsible drinking.
Yeah.
It's all about wellness, right?
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
people get into sports.
they're more
they want-
mindful now.
Yeah.
Right.
So, and I think this is one product that is specific for that.
Yeah,
You
it's
know.
pretty much in line. Yeah.
Yeah.
So if you still want to drink, join the fun. This is what you do.
Yeah.
Sabi ni DJ Demi,
nice.
what if you're already nag-vomit ka na? Pwede ba?
Might be too late for you, my friend.
Nakikita ko sa clubhouse sa
Pwede.
labas eh. Yung sa mga bata sa clubhouse.
Sabi nga, like, before you sleep, diba? It'll make you feel better the next day.
Oh, yeah. So the one that's vomiting outside the stairs. Oh,
Oh, ito. Condition.
how much is this? 100?
130 for the bottle.
130.
100 for the sashet.
No, see, Tony, when he sees the person bowing, here you go, $200. Here's my QR.
Pinakuman pa.
Oh, here's my QR. Come on. No, but then after you throw up, at least that's your reset. So take it na.
It should.
Oh, take it na
That's
agad.
the better reset than the other resets out there.
Praetorian is asking.
Uy, may bagay ka.
Slick na naman. Favorite ni Slick yan.
You can drink, as Jojo asked earlier, if you can drink this every day, even without drinking, you
Pwede
can.
daw.
You can drink one every day, even if you aren't drinking. It's supposed to. Was it for your liver?
Yeah. Basically, it
Filter
filter
out?
inflammation.
Oh, inflammation.
The
Okay, there you go.
Tony's
Yeah.
hate test. And most
I think
favorite word.
this would be okay for also like mga golfers. Diba? Like after they finish golfing, they love to drink.
Yeah.
But then they're just so
Definitely.
tired, but then still they like to drink. So you give this to them, and then after at least they'll be pretty much okay.
Yeah.
I'm
and-
looking at the ingredients. It says stevia. Oh, edi
Yeah.
low in sugar siya.
Yeah, definitely. So other ingredients I think that I would want to point out. There's one that's called licorice root. Licorice root has this medical derived drug that we already use in hospitals, like in ICU level settings. That actually we use that medication as well, and it really decreases your liver enzymes as well.
Okay, good.
Yeah, so again, that's another ingredient there. Again, the amino acids are there just to help out the whole function of it.
Yeah.
Again, to really take care of your liver as you're taking alcohol.
So if you want to protect yourselves before drinking, and also your tolerance level is low, this is the perfect
Sabi ni Rob Paredes, pamparami ng ladies drink. Ikaw talaga, Rob. Ano ba?
You can't get me. I'm okay pa rin. I only have one ladies drink.
So far, they have apple, and then on the way is
Mango and guava.
What? Oh,
In the works.
Oh, sige.
Hindi ko na ito babalik to. Sorry.
No, they brought a lot.
Diba? Ang dami.
We have stash for you.
Yes! Nagnakaw.
We have stash for you
They
guys.
brought your contract. We're signing it live on air. We've never done a live contract signing.
This is record breaking.
Oh,
Oh, eto na.
one and only. There you go. Congrats. Let's go, guys. Yay! Signing.
Signing na!
Bilis ah. No, but they did ask.
Can we do a giveaway on playback?
Yeah.
Yung kay Tony sa playback na lang.
That one bottle. We'll just give
For my
away.
inflammation.
We'll give one bottle. Oh,
Ayan, game sila. Excited tuloy yung
Okay to
playback.
sa mga bars eh. Panalo to.
Yeah, Rebel.
It's right in it.
Panalo to sa
It's right
bars.
in it.
yes, please.
And actually, those bars will I think for me, the sales will increase because
Agreed.
they're going to be more confident.
Just in
drinking
case you
now.
didn't know, he owns so many bars,
No.
and so many clubs as well.
Clubhouse.
Oh my gosh, you know Clubhouse? You know Revel? Do you know
YP?
Silo? Do you know Yes Please? That's his.
No, it's
Oh
not
my
mine.
gosh.
12
12 monkeys?
Oh, wow.
Oh my God.
That's
Perfect.
Information.
Doc, usap tayo.
Business muna, business.
Yan!
That's our
Gusto natin
boy.
marinig.
All
We're all
right.
here to pull each other up.
Yeah. So for those that want to follow Conditioner Score PH, you can check out their socials. I'm sure the videos you can find out if you have any questions, other questions, you can hit them up and send a DM and order on all the apps. All app stores, right? Lazada, Shopee.
Yep.
Now we can do TikTok selling.
Ay, oo, live
May mga
selling na
product.
tayo. Tama.
Our first
Our
product.
first.
Okay.
Kahit kanina ko pa sinasabi, kahit di pa tayo nagko-contract signing, kanina ko pa sinasabi na gumagana talaga siya. So it's for real.
We loved it.
Anecdotal.
It's reals, ha?
Dapat soft sell kasi you hard sell.
Totoo
Now they will
eh.
negotiate with you kasi ginagamit mo na eh. I don't believe in this yet.
Totoo ba to?
I've never taken it.
Parang imposible.
You have to soft sell na, is this really work?
Kaya ba?
Hard sell eh.
Totoo ba to?
I know. All right.
Yeah, punta
do you
daw
wanna say
kayo
hi
ng
to anyone,
silo
Doc?
sa Saturday, Doc, sabi ni DJ Demi.
They're going.
You should, sabi
Perfect.
nila. Punta daw kayo.
How I wish, but I'm actually I'm actually taking my boards in a month.
Oh my God! Good luck, Doc.
So I'm a fellow. I'm specializing in gastroenterology. So again,
Oh, great.
with the liver. So
Gastro.
also with your GERD and as well in your
Yeah,
reflux.
inflammation, gut health, microbiome. You
Yes.
are the perfect.
Ayan na. I think Tony found his new bestie.
Yes.
New doctor.
Besties.
I'm pretty sure we're gonna have more conversations after this night.
Yeah.
Okay. As you get older, you specialize in different sex in
Oh, you
in
specialize in sex. Everyone knows that.
Oh, ikaw pa? Sex? Di ba? That's you.
in different
positions.
As you get older, certain illnesses and issues, you want to have that doctor that specializes.
yeah.
But you're only 29, so you're fine,
Yeah.
right?
Only
You're
29.
okay.
Yeah.
You're younger than me.
Yeah.
Believable, huh?
Oh, so you'll be studying on Saturday. Okay. Well, the
No,
next
but
one na lang.
definitely. But I guess you can, guys.
You know what's gonna happen is we're gonna just have it all in our pockets. Like, hey.
Ano, gusto mo?
No.
Ikaw, gusto mo?
Under-
150 na.
150.
Gago
Gino's
kayo.
favorite amount, 150.
Tony's gonna check all their pockets. What are you selling?
It's better because the more you drink this,
Oh.
the
more sales
the less drunk you feel. So you order and drink more.
Yep.
Right?
Yep.
Okay yan. In favor ako yan. The yields will
In
be better.
favor ako dyan.
Because we
May
only
blessing.
yes, because we only sell
Ka-ching, ka-ching.
bottles. We don't sell anything by the glass. We want bottle service here. Okay. There, you guys want to say hi to anyone?
Yes,
Thanks to
we thank
anyone. Say hi to the.
Say hi to my fiance.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Nazal. Yeah.
The team?
How about your boys?
Yeah.
Say hi.
Say hi to my team.
Yeah.
Hi to the team. Please, sir.
Please.
Don't be shy.
Yeah, si Boy Batak eh.
Oo nga eh.
Look at-
Boy Borta,
Yeah,
about to approach the mic.
Shout out to members of my commercial operations team
Nice.
at BLHI.
yeah.
What's your name, sir?
JP.
Sir JP. Nahiya na sila.
Thank you guys. Thank you guys for having us.
No.
Thank you.
All right, coming up, we do have our friends from VMX.
Ayan,
coming
bigyan nyo din.
Oh yeah.
Lahat.
We got JD and Vern.
Vern, yeah. All right. Here you go with a brand new one from Justin Bieber, Yukon. It's Boys Night Out, Magic 89.9.
Tony, Slick, Gino, and Tin. Boys Night Out. Magic 89.9.
Magic 89.9, brand new one from the King of JR.
The King
The
of
king of JR.
JR.
Pwede naman.
The King of R&B, JR.
The King of JR.
Si JR.
Nice to see you. He's in Singapore right now. Enjoy the vacation. He's with Gucci. And hopefully we can give away tickets to Tyler the Creator.
No way!
Yeah.
You know
Boys
who,
Night Out, but we'll probably give it online.
yeah, you know who also
So
bought right away for that is si TJ and Andrew.
Oh.
As in, like-
Ang hirap daw eh. So hard to get.
Oh,
no, there's a day two now. So day
They
one is
really
sold
got
out.
it.
So
Yep.
day two they have new seats.
Kaya. Okay.
So for those that are wondering, there's a lot of seats still left. A lot of tickets. So if you guys are thinking of watching, do the Sunday, the 21st of September.
Yung one. So that should be good.
We'll see you guys there.
Tyler, the Creator. But here we go. We have our friends from BMX. So ladies and gentlemen, please welcome JD. And we got Burn.
What's up?
Hello.
Hey, kumusta? How's everything going?
Okay lang po.
BC?
BC.
We haven't seen JD in a while. JD's been busy.
Yes po.
Si Vern, she's
Oh, nakita natin si Vern recently. A few weeks ago.
hang out lang si Vern. But JD, what's the new movie?
Victoria Silver.
Okay.
Written by Ricky Lee and directed by
Okay.
Direct Mac Alejandro.
Ooh, powerhouse.
So who else is in the movie with you?
This is starring by Christine Bermas.
Great. Okay.
Also Gold Aceron and VR Relosa.
And who do you play here in this movie?
I am Tonyo.
Okay, and what's the story about?
Actually, yung character ko po dito, it's a period film about comfort women.
Ano ng hapon?
Tony!
Oh, wow.
Tony also did a movie like that before.
Japanese.
Ginawa 1970s eh.
Yeah.
Right?
Ginawa,
70s.
role niya doon, rapist.
As in like 1970, that's when he did the movie.
Yung Markova.
Markova. With
Dolphy.
Dolphy.
Markova with
Dolphy.
Dolphy.
RVQ Productions. Dolphy, Eric, and Epi.
Yeah.
So time period film.
Familiar po ako dun sa movie.
Ando
Tagal na yun.
si Kuya Tones mo. Ando.
Nasa Netflix yan.
1999 yun.
Kayo po yung rapist dun?
Siya yung rapist doon.
Apat kami. So,
Siya yung hapon na rapist.
yung rate namin, Eric Izon was one of the girls, the comfort gay.
Yes po.
Isa si may-ari ng front row, R.S. Francisco.
Okay.
Talaga?
Isa si Melvin Lee. Isa si Richie Chan. And for those who know them, they're all actors or thespians.
Yeah.
And so that's how I got to know them. Even way before wala pang front row.
That's pretty cool.
Richie Chan was getting into makeup artistry. Melvin Lee was one of the big time commercial directors. And then he got into acting. Yeah, so it was so weird how I got that role. But how was your experience? Were you in this one? Ikaw yung comfort gay or you're
I'm the rapist po.
you're the rapist?
Shake hands.
Rapist to rapist.
Yes.
Mano.
Para it's like passing the torch. Parang generation to, huh?
So what's the story about you? Obviously in Markova, it's the same thing, right? Wartime.
More ano po to, nagfo-focus. Sa Markova kasi it's more on the gay sides.
Their story.
Gays. Yeah.
Diba?
But this side of the story is more about Christine. It's actually a prequel film ng Selena's Gold ni Angelica.
Yeah.
Kaya
Silver.
Victoria Silver. It's all about what
Happened.
Victoria's Silver.
Oh.
Parang gano'n po. And yung character ko po dito, it's surprise po siya. Medyo may plot twist po siya.
May plot twist. Okay, so hindi natin.
Oh,
Wait, the trailer?
Yeah, we got the trailer.
Okay.
So, direct, let's see.
Kaya di
that
ako
trailer.
pinakita sa trailer.
Kasi surprise. Ito na.
Sino ka?
Victoria, anong pihit ang buo kong pangalan? Piyesta ng patron namin nang dumating ang mga Hapon. Hindi ko na mabilang ang mga sundalong Hapon na lumapastangan sa amin. Mga hayop sila.
Maaari ko ba mahaplas ang iyong mukha?
Wala ka pa bang karanasan? Ano ba yung nararamdaman mo?
Nakakapasa na ang init ng katawan ko.
Gaano kainit? Bakit tila kakaiba ang saya mo ngayong umaga?
Wala ka bang naaalala sa ginawa mo kagabi?
Tinutuya mo ba ako? Bakit mo itinatatpo ang mga nangyari? Bulag na nga ako, inahamak mo pang pagkalalaki ko?
Hindi ko alam ang sinasabi mo.
Gising ka ba, Toyang?
Kinalimutan ko kung sino ako. Walang pakiramdam, walang pag-iisip, walang kaluluwa. Naalala mo ba ba ang naganap sa inyo ni Selena?
Huwag mo kong iwan. Selena!
Pilak na singsing bigay ng aking yumaong ina. Mahalaga sa akin na lagi mong suot iyang pilak na singsing.
Magtatagal ba yung bisita mo? Bakit ho? Mahirap magtiwala. Salamat. Niligtas mo buhay ko. Tiyak na hahanapin ng mga Hapon ng mga kasama nila.
Walang kapatawaran ang ginawa nila sa atin.
Kailangan natin lumikas sa mas ligtas na lugar. Sasama ka ba sa akin? Naligayahan ka ba sa ginawa ko sa'yo?
Bakit mo ako pinaglalaruan?
Hindi ako puta.
Huwag kang umalis.
Duwag ako. Ano po ang balak ninyo?
Ang patuloy na lumaban.
Nais kong mag-init ang katawan mo sa pagnanasa.
Wild.
Ang lalim ng Tagalog no? Kaya alam mong period film talaga siya.
That's the way Tony likes to talk to his
Grabe,
ladies.
deep.
Malalim.
Suspense, thriller, drama.
All in one.
Solid.
So, nag-aaral ka ng, obviously, the script is the
Makata no?
dating
Opo,
panahon.
Medyo tinuruan din po kami ni Direct Mac.
Kasi yung punto iba din eh.
Kailangan talaga yung...
Matalinhaga
malalim yung mga Tagalog.
Grabe.
Pati the way we said it.
Yeah, iba yung bitaw eh. Yung inflections of...
So, kailangan memorize talaga to, no? Hindi pwedeng medyo adlib-adlib.
Lalo na kay Direct Mac po, sobrang...
Medyo tutok siya, tutok.
Nasigawan ka na ba?
Hindi pa naman po. Kasi inaral ko po talaga yung script.
And how did it feel to be working with Direct?
I feel honored din po na
grabe.
pili po ako ni Direct Mac to ano po yung
To
role.
make...
Kasi sobrang ano po delicate ng role namin ni Errol dyan. Kaya hindi siya pinakita talaga na sobrang importante ng role namin dalawa. Parang
There's something there that okay.
yun yung abangan ng mga manonood.
Okay, there's a may twist
Supposedly po, alam ko po, dapat ipapalabas po siya sa sinehan. Kaso, ewan ko po ano po nangyari.
Okay.
Baka some sa production na po yung ano.
Pero this is showing
August 15?
August 15 po.
Okay.
Tonight.
Sa
Mamayang gabi.
Midnight na.
Mamaya.
Panoorin natin.
Mamayang gabi.
Sabi ni Chaddy, only show na nag-shake hands, rapist to rapist.
Kamusta?
In the movies In the movies
In the movies lang. Only roles.
respect.
Never.
Respect. No means no.
I played it twice.
Consent.
Consent.
One with Marco, Direct Hill Portes, and then one with oh my gosh,
Na-typecast
Alessandra.
Alessandra. My director was actor din siya. Direct bakla din eh. Joel
Lamangan.
Yan dalawa na yan. Sobrang stricto.
Opo.
Direct Hill Portes and galaw pa lang alam mo na pag mali. Cut! Oh, nyeta.
Opo.
I was like, how many times did I get that?
Kasi hindi mo masabi yung line?
No, because Japanese lines eh. It was more on, I think it was more on the body language eh. But with Alex, okay. Like, it was, I gusto mo more than one take, ayaw eh.
Si Alex is like, si Alex, okay na? Okay na.
Okay, one take, Direk, okay na to.
Si Toads was just getting warmed up.
Gusto ko pa!
Si Eric, 8 takes eh. Because they had to get different
angles.
And they only had 2 cameras eh. So, back, baklas, lipat. I'm like, oh my gosh, malas naman ako.
He's like, okay, I gotta do it again.
Bakit 3, 4, 5, 6?
Pero what was the hardest part besides, the speaking?
Yung ano po, yung rape scene na mismo. Kasi ginawa namin siya ng umuulan. Talagang real time.
Totoong rain.
Sobrang putik po noon that time. Buti si Christine di talaga siya.
Hindi siya
yung
maselan.
actress na walang arte talaga. Sobrang bilib din ako kay Christine kasi ginawa namin yon sa isang bundok sa Rizal ata kung hindi nagkakamali. Ayun, parang umuulan nun tapos yung mga suot namin medyo
putik-putik na.
Kaya tas may dugo-dugo pa.
Oh shoot.
Sobrang cinematic na ano.
Grabe.
Hindi dinaya yung putik.
Totoo it's a real thing. Hey, congrats.
If you guys want to see it,
buti ka pa,
an hour and a half. Mamaya, midnight. Go check it out on BMX.
Yes.
Congratulations to you, man. And of course, we got Vern with us. Vern! What's the movie?
Ayan, Triangulo.
Alam na.
Okay, who?
It's a threesome.
Jojo, what is it?
Triangulo. Threesome.
Nakapag-threesome ka na ba, Jo?
Hindi pa.
Is that your dream?
Sana, slick. But,
dalawang lalaki kayo, tas one girl?
No, dalawang girl.
Akala ko.
So, who would be in your threesome, Jojo?
Dami.
Vern.
Pwede.
Hanip na pwede.
Pwede. Pero mahirap mang threesome and then sharing together because magkakakitaan kayo.
Ito maganda tanong, Jo. Kung magti-threesome ka na dalawang lalaki, isang babae, sino yung lalaking itatrust mo?
Maybe Tony.
Kuya Tones.
Yeah.
Kuya Tones for life. The bro.
Why bro Tony? Why?
I see his dick. Pero okay naman.
Well, let's go back
Tapos?
Pwede na. Pero mapapahiya
Pwede na ka.
Kasi
ako, I am sad. Small Asian D lang ako eh.
Tapos si Tones?
Tones, sirain ka talaga eh.
Damn.
Ka talaga.
Damn.
Tony's make it threesome. Yun yung maganda. But gusto ko 2 girls and then pero mahirap ang guy to guy kasi mag-aagawan kayo eh. But you
may point ka.
Di ba?
Pake ka, Vern and Tin.
Hoy, balik tayo, Vern. So, tungkol saan yung movie? Tsaka sino ang mga kasama mo dito?
Vern, who's with you in the movie?
Ayan, ang kasama ko dito ay si...
Hala?
Nakalimutan ni sis.
Siya lang.
Of course ako. Si Sky Gonzaga.
Sky. Okay, Sky. Okay.
And ang panit ng lalaking to.
Kaya mo to, Vern. Naniniwala ako sa'yo.
Makikita naman natin sa trailer.
Sige. Panoorin na muna natin yung trailer para makatulong na si Direk.
Yung partner mo, hindi mo kilala.
Okay, so let's see the trailer muna. Yan.
Ang babae para sa babae. Ito yung gusto ng puso ko. Hindi makakabuo ng sanggol ang dalawang matres. Masaya ka pa rin bang sasama ko? Oo naman. Walang hihigit pa sa happiness na nabibigay mo sa akin. Kontento ka ba na ganito lang tayo? Hindi mo ba naisip na magkaroon tayo ng baby? Ako magbubuntis. Hayaan mong ako ang pipili ng lalaking makakatulong sa pagbubuntis mo.
Hi, Miguel Castro.
Irene, nakikipag-sex ako kay Miggy. Hindi ko kaya gumawa ng paraan na pareho tayong masasaktan. Kung mahal mo ang isang tao, gagawa ka ng sakripisyo. Walang bagay na perfect.
Trabaho lang to. Walang personalan.
Napapasaya niya ako.
Sana tumupad ka sa usapan.
Sarapan ka ba? Ayusin natin to. Alam mo ba kung gaano kahirap sa akin gawin to? Sana, tinanggap ko na lang. Hindi tayo magkakala. Sinasabi mo bang may kulang sa relasyon natin? Hindi pa ba ako enough sa'yo, Irene? Sabi nila, ang buhay parang triangulo. May 3 sides. Ang panig ng isa, ang side ng isa, at ang katotohanan. Hindi mo madudugtong ang 2 sides kung walang pangatlo.
Kaya pala nakalimutan yung pangalan.
Sobrang sarap.
That's like the life of Toads, ha? Walang personalan, ha? Trabaho lang to, ha?
Minsan nga, hindi ko alam yung pangalan talaga eh.
Solid storyline.
Si Toads, anong pangalan mo?
Good morning. Ano ba pangalan mo ulit? Anong breakfast?
Trabaho lang, ha?
Oh my gosh.
Jo, sabi ni Direk,
Mora.
tayo ka nga daw. Tayo ka daw. Ikaw?
Oh, yeah.
Same. Same.
Bakit yung belt mo, baklas?
Nakabaklas.
Bakit nakabaklas?
Hindi ko nga alam eh.
Jachok.
Oy!
Maybe.
Look at his eyes. This guy is like...
How's it? What do you think of the trailer?
Nahat ka ba, Jo?
Sobrang ganda ng trailer. And then, yung scene nila ni...
Sino gusto mo? Si Marco?
No, si
Vern.
Si Vern.
Si Christine.
Christine's in the other movie.
Ayun.
Or
Sky. Gonzaga. Ganda. Sky.
Si Sky.
So if you were to pick between Vern and Sky, sino?
Of course,
Sana dalawa.
Isa lang, kunyari.
Si Sky talaga.
Sky na.
Sky.
Loko ka, Vern.
So the story is basically...
Vern doesn't give a F. She's like, whatever.
Kayo ni Sky, but you wanna have a kid.
Yeah.
And
Kasi
the donor, si Marco.
Yes.
Okay.
Ang kasi doon, I'm the only child. Tapos meron akong mom
Ah,
na talagang against siya sa relationship namin
with a girl.
Kasi nga, alam niyang hindi kayo makakabuo. Di ba sinabi niya yun? Ang matres.
Kaya para akong na-pressure doon. Lagi akong binabalik-balikan ni mama daw. Hanggang sa dumating yung part, tapos sabi ko, gusto ko mabuntis. Tapos ako mag-aanak. Tapos ngayon, una hindi pumayag si Sky, kasi pumayag siya. Nakakita kami ng donor, which is si Marco Mora.
Napamura.
Naalam mo na.
Nice one, John.
Good one. Good pickup. Nice, Vern.
So, ayun si Marco. Ngayon si Marco, una, ano nga yun, yung parang ini-inject lang yung sa...
Okay, parang turkey baster.
Tapos hindi ako nabubuntis eh. Tapos ang laki ng gastos namin. Hanggang sa ginawang natural. So may nangyayari sa...
In vitro? In vitro?
IVF?
IVF.
Yeah.
Yun. Hanggang sa dumating yung time na ginawa namin natural. Hindi ko alam. Plant-based.
Hindi pwede.
Wag. Parang panoorin nila.
Oo. Pero parang sinabi naman dun sa trailer.
Sige, ano. Na?
Jowa niya pala. Ex niya pala yun.
Ex si Sky.
Oo.
Si Jowa pala.
Ex niya pala yun. Tapos, ang ending, di ko alam.
Wag.
Wala.
Kailan ba ito lalabas, Vern?
Lumalabas na siya.
Lumalabas na siya. Parang kay Jojo.
Lalabas na.
Parang galit si Vern na.
Lumalabas na siya, guys. Everyone on playback is out.
Lumabas na.
Lumabas na si Jojo. Nalabas na.
Labas na.
Okay na siya. Nakaraos na.
Okay. Tapos na.
Oo. Ilang minuto?
Isang minuto kasi.
For this movie. Ilang ka?
1 minute?
1 minute lang?
2 minutes.
1 minute? Okay na.
Sabi mo 1 minute kay Sky. Paano si Vern?
2 minutes.
Bakit mas natagal kay Vern?
Siyempre,
Pahinga mo.
Interval, kumbaga.
Mahina.
Interval.
2 pumps.
2 pumps muna.
2 pumps.
So, Vern, what was the toughest part in this movie for you?
Ito yung pinaka kasi. Sobrang drama niya. So, kailangan masyado talagang malalim yung character ko dito.
Would you ever think of doing that na having let's say, you can't get pregnant, but your partner can. Would you allow a guy to get your partner pregnant?
Sex sila.
Mahirap talaga yun.
Hirap
Sobra.
di ba?
Sobra.
Baka may love
Parang nakakasira talaga siya no? Parang, how do you get back from that, di ba?
Tapos you hear them in the next room?
That's why the IVF is really good kasi you don't see it Injection lang. You don't see who the donor is. Wala. Ito yung talagang mismo
Tas ex pa niya. Damn.
Pwede yung parang sa iba na lang yung magbubuntis. Wag na lang siya. Kung babae.
Sa lahat ng lalaki, ex pa nga di ba? Wild yun.
Sabi ni Chaddy Tones, need panoorin to bago mag-Ghost Month kasi may ungol. Point ka doon, Chaddy,
langungol.
Yung hungry ghosts.
Don't feed them, Don't feed them.
May pa tayo. August 23 pa So we still have time.
May oras pa. Panoorin nyo to. Kahit may ungol,
Yung
pwede.
dalawa, panoorin nyo na yan.
Oo, panoorin nyo pareho.
month, no?
Joe.
Malapit na, August 23.
Panoorin natin yan.
So Question, Jojo. Do you think you could ever watch a VMX movie, say si Vern or one of the stars of the movie, and not do anything?
Not jack off?
Hindi eh. Parang mahirap. Pwede may control, pero hindi
siya... Ikaw, na kaya mo i-control?
Yeah, parang like, hey, let's watch a movie. Oh.
Parang kan lang, benching lang.
No,
benching?
Watching.
Kayo ni Vern, nanonood kayo ng triangulo.
Okay lang.
Kaya mo?
Kaya pa naman. Pero pag wala si
But
Vern...
let me ask you this. Have you ever watched VMX movie without jerking off? Honestly.
Hindi.
Alone.
Hindi.
Talaga? Lahat ng VMX movie na pinado mo, nag-ano ka?
Hindi naman. Mayroong part na wala.
Yung part wala?
May part.
Sa credits.
Sa credits.
Hindi.
Siyempre may mga part na ako, may kwento, di ba?
And then yung part na wala, when he opens the app, ay, wala pa.
Wala pa eh.
Wala pa. Okay to. What he's speaking, wala pa. 2 minutes.
But the best part is yung mga new upload sa Viva Max na new movie.
VMX.
Okay.
Nice one, Joe.
Please invite our viewers. Ikaw muna, Vern. And how can they follow you also on your
Everywhere.
socials?
Hello guys. Ayan, sa lahat ng sumunod ng Triangulo, please download VMX. Ayan, exclusive yan. And showing na siya ngayon. Mag-subscribe na lang kayo. Tapos maganda yung movie, 5-star nyo na. And then follow me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Vern K. Yun lang naman eh. Pangalan ko lang.
Vern K. VERNKAYE.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. And
Nakakaloka to si Vern.
Vern, she's always cool to like, whatever. Come on, let's talk about something else.
I love it.
Yeah, she has a good attitude.
JD.
And yun guys, sa lahat ng listener and subscriber ng Boys Night Out, I'm inviting you all to watch Victoria Silver, directed by Mac Alejandre and written by our national artist, Ricky Lee.
Wow.
And starring Kristen Bermas, Gold Aceron, Victor Relosa, and also me, JD Aguas. And you can follow me on my socials, JD Aguas lahat. Facebook, Twitter. Ay, wala palang Twitter.
X.
Facebook, Instagram.
TikTok, wala.
I don't know.
OnlyFans, man. Wala pa. Gawa tayo.
Gagawa ako.
Ayun, ano mo?
OnlyFans? Wala pa.
Wala.
Alam mo, pwede natin gawin, Tones? Ko-COVID check mo si Vern, tapos si Jojo magko-COVID check kay JD.
Para balance.
Para pareho.
There's a balance in
Let's
life.
play a game.
You wanna play the game, the sabon or...
Yeah.
Do you have it?
Yeah.
I have it.
Okay.
Fun.
We'll play a game with you guys, real quick game.
Okay.
You wanna play a song first, Tones?
Yeah, let's play a song and then para at least we can tell you the premise of the game. Very quick lang to. Welcome to the Boys Night Out. Magic 89.9.
Tony, Slick, Gino, and Tin. Boys Night Out. Magic 89.9.
All right. Welcome back. Time now is 11:04. Of course, you got Boys Night Out. And here we go. We got a game portion.
Yay!
So, got a new game on Boys Night Out. We got Jojo, we got JD, and we got Vern with us. And the name of the game is called Sabon
o Subo.
What is it?
Sabon or Subo.
And if you guys are wondering why, is because they really do have soap in their hand, and they have a lollipop. There you go.
Show it, Joe.
Show.
Sabon.
Subo.
Lollipop.
Okay. So
the rules are really easy. Okay. Pag sinabi ko Subo, ipasok niyo yung Chupa Chups. Chupa Chups yun.
Yeah.
Chupa Chups.
Yes.
Chupa Chups. Lollipop. Yan.
Sample.
Pag sinabi ko sabon,
amuyin yung sabon.
Amoyin.
Indeed, you don't lick them.
Amoyin yung sabon.
Amoy Air Force One na.
Bakit alam mo?
Bringing back
Miss mo na.
Miss ko na eh. Nagsara na eh. I was with Tony.
Grabe na naman po siya.
Catching strays.
Nakailan ka?
Isa lang. Back in the days.
Ay, yung birthday mo, no?
I remember.
Binigyan ka ng 2 girls, di ba? Tas,
Doon siya na nabinyag siya.
First time niya doon.
First time na to have sex. Virgin. Yung friend ko, ang birthday treat niya doon. So, wala siyang choice.
Air Force
May baptismal ka doon.
And then,
mismo.
And then, first one. And then, yung friend ko, tiga US. Sabi niya, hindi, dalawa na. Kaya yan. Sa dalawa, wala, hindi tumayo.
Nung pangalawa.
Nag-usap lang sila isang oras.
Wow, getting to know you. Ayos
Okay, game.
Ito si DJ Debbie says soap pop. But then since it's ban ng wika. Sabon.
Subo.
Yun. Grabe, mahirap to, ha?
Sabay-sabay. Ano nga yung parang ano nga yun?
Hip-hip parade.
Ayun, parang hip-hip parade.
Okay. Are we ready?
We have our game master, DJ Toe.
Oh gosh, this is gonna be hard.
Let's go.
Are we ready?
Yes, do it.
Okay, JD, Vern, Jojo, Love Survivor.
Yeah.
Subo.
Subo.
Yeah, ang galing niyo sumubo.
Subo.
Grabe, subo.
Sabon. Subo.
Switch your hands.
Switch. Subo.
Parang once lang. Sabon. Subo.
Yeah.
Sabon. Okay, game ha?
Go, Tid.
Sabon. Subo. Sabon. Subo. Sabon. Subo. Subo. Sabon. Subo. Sabon. Sabon. Subo. Wala pa kumakain ng sabon. Yun yung gusto natin mangyari.
Gusto ko si Vern Subo lahat.
Lahat.
Sinusubo niya yung sabon Okay to si Vern
Hindi ko sinubo Hindi pa ako nagkamali.
Magaling si Vern.
Hindi, magaling to magsubo.
Pasado to.
Sample.
Pasado.
Nako, flying color. 69 stars.
Okay, baliktad naman. Baliktad yung kamay nyo.
Switch.
Baliktad yung...
Okay, so pag sinabi kong subo, aamuyin nyo yung sabon. Pag sinabi ko sabon, isusubo nyo yung lollipop.
Okay.
Okay?
Baliktad.
Okay, baliktad. Okay, ulitin na. Bagal muna. Subo, amoy niyo yung sabon.
Okay.
Subo.
Okay. Sabon, subo niyo yung lollipop. Yan. Okay, sige. Sabon?
Sabon.
Subo! Sabon nyo. Yan. Okay. Tapos, pag sinabing subo lang, tapos tanggalin nyo ulit. Okay. Okay, ulit. Sige. Okay, game. Okay, sabon.
Shit, sabon.
Ulit.
Okay. Hindi, balik na lang tayo sa normal. Okay, balik muna tayo sa sabon, subo. Ano totoo? So, pag sabon, amoy. Ayan. Pag subo, tapos tanggalin agad.
Okay.
Yan. Okay. Sabon. Subo. Sabon. Subo. Tanggalin agad. Yan. Subo.
Out si JD. Out si JD. Oh, it's Jojo and
Jojo
Vern.
versus Vern.
Ito, added challenge for Jojo. Jojo, you and Vern have to look at each other during the
dapat
game.
nagkakatinginan sa mata. Yan.
Let's
go, Joe!
Normal. Pero pag subo, tanggal agad
Okay.
Hindi pwedeng nandun lang sa bibig nyo.
Let's go, Joe.
Subo. Sabon. Subo. Tanggalin mo, Jo.
Okay.
Yan, sabon. Subo. Tanggalin. Yan, subo. Tanggalin. Jo, ang kulit Tatanggalin mo. Okay,
sige.
Subo. Sabon. Sabon. Subo.
Jojo.
Sabon.
Jojo Flitch.
Muntik ka lang makain sabon eh. Magaling sumubo
Magaling
si
si
Vern.
Vern.
Magaling sumubo si Vern.
magaling si Vern.
Si Vern,
Subo
ang
lahat.
technique niya, dila lang muna. Bago
Safe,
ipasok.
safe.
Okay siya.
Oh, what
marunong.
can you say about that technique, Tom?
Okay yun eh. Para sa akin.
Okay,
Favorite ko yung dila muna bago ipasok.
Oh my God.
What the fuck?
Dila muna bago pa.
Dila muna bago pasok.
Dilaan muna ba?
Ay,
Diba?
Oh, takes mo lang.
Ganda daw ng technique ni Vern, sabi ni Juancho. Just the tip technique. Tama.
Si Derek gising pa.
Wow, Derek, ayos ah.
Si Derek.
Biglang di natulog ah.
Si Derek, grabe.
Natuwa kay Jojo.
Si Derek, okay to ah.
Midnight love.
Ganda nito. Hey, but thank you for...
Thank you guys.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you for...
Galing.
Thank
Wanna
you
say
for
hi to anyone?
being the first to join.
JD?
Hi to my ate in Switzerland.
Oh, no.
Hi, Switzerland.
Yeah. Switzerland. Okay. Si tatay mo sa dahig.
Sa sahig.
Si Taray Dig.
Sorry, Jiggy.
Ha?
The Hague. Anyone?
Anyone? Wala.
Special?
Wala naman.
Wala.
Walang someone special.
Yeah, family.
Brother, sister, and
Mother.
father. Wala na akong mother.
Yan, sige Jojo,
Hello
in-awkward
po,
mo tuloy.
Kumusta?
Yan.
Sana masaya kayo.
Jojo.
Maghanap ka ba ng
Date?
Hindi.
Ang ganda! Alam mo, favorite kita, Vern. Favorite kita. Naghanap ka ba ng date? Hindi.
Si Sky na lang, si Sky na lang.
Alam niya nakatingin eh. Sabi niya,
Solid to si Vern. Solid.
Vern, iba.
Solid. Naghanap ka ng date? Hindi.
Dapat si JD and Vern all the time.
ang strong ng hindi.
Si Vern stepped on his dream.
Dinura-duraan ni Vern yung pangarap ni Jojo.
Sana. Si Sky na lang. Si Sky na lang.
Sky na lang.
Tingin mo, sa'yo si Sky.
Siguro papayag yun.
Papayag siya. Tingin mo, Vern, papayag ba si Sky?
Fantastic, babe.
Nasarapan yan.
All right, be back with more Boys Night Out. Here we go with Russell. Magic 89.9.
Tony, Slick, Gino, and 10. Boys Night Out. Magic 89.9.
Magic 9.9. Thank you so much to JD, also to Vern for stopping by. Also to Jojo. It's nice to see you, man.
Thank you,
This is past your bedtime. I know you get up like really early.
4 a.m.
Yeah, you have a early
You
Wow,
run?
Jo.
Yeah.
You run, yeah?
I run and then I go to work. And
Yeah. What else?
yeah, and that's all.
That's
May
it?
ano ka ba? Kamusta? May love life ka ba ngayon?
Wala, no. Still same.
Wala kang kausap? May mga
Wala,
nilalandi-landi?
Bumble.
Bumble. Wala kang kausap sa Bumble?
Meron eh. Pero the problem with Bumble ngayon, parang yung ibang tao, naiinip sila kapag if you're boring, and then...
Most especially with Jojo.
Yeah.
So do you think you're boring, bro?
Yeah. But na-block yung Bumble ko because there's someone nag-o-offer ng extra service. Oh, na...
Tapos tinanggap mo?
Di. Wala, parang nag-o-offer siya and then the AI from Bumble na-determine nila nag-o-offer yung girl ng extra service and then di-block my account and then nag-complain
may nag-offer sa'yo ng
may
extra
nag-offer.
service.
And you probably accepted.
Ano reply mo, Jo? Sige.
Were you about to accept it?
Yeah, you accepted it.
Then, nag-match kami and then this girl you want ES, happy ending, gano'n. And
May
then-
bayad.
May bayad. Sabi niya, 5K all the way, gano'n.
Sabi mo yes.
Sabi ko,
Yeah!
sabi ko, ha?
That's our boy.
Umuha ka, no? Patingin nga screenshot.
Wala. Na-block ko sa Bumble.
This
That's why
guy
I complain.
I know for sure. I know for sure.
Yung response mo is, ha? Yun lang.
Naghala ako. Then, yung AI ng Bumble.
Bullshit. Bullshit.
This guy, okay.
Buwan ng wika. Tae. Mukha mo.
Oy, don't say tae, mapapagalitan ka. Okay, go, Jo.
Yun yung problema sa Bumble ngayon, mahigpit sila. Because if you're mag-offer ka something na mga bad words or gano'n, ibablock nila sa AI.
So, mabilis yun, mabablock agad.
Mablock agad.
So, ang sabi mo talaga halang.
Ha? And then how much?
Ay, sabi mo? How much na?
How much? Out of curiosity, how much? Magkano?
Out of curiosity.
Jojo.
You only get blocked if you reciprocate.
Yeah, how much? How
Yan.
Si Bumble.
So after you said the how much, then it got...
Tinesting ka ni Bumble.
Oh, yeah.
Jojo,
And you failed the test.
how much are you willing to pay?
How much are you?
For all the way. Sa Bumble.
Sa
all the way.
May na-meet ka doon.
Oh, no, okay.
Oh, nag-match kayo. Ibig sabihin, bet mo.
Mahirap kasi ngayon kasi...
How much would you pay? I'm just asking. Just
1.5 or 2. May mga ganun ko. Yung iba nga pang
Brother girl's like, shit, ang baba. I-report natin to. 1.5?
Patingin nga ng mga match mo sa Bumble.
Wala na, na-block ako sa Bumble.
Akala ko inayos mo, hindi pa rin.
Hindi pa. Nag-complain ako ng report.
Where's your Bumbles? Show us
Wala.
Show us the app.
150.
Wala.
150.
1.5.
This guy kuripot.
1.5.
What if she's like super hot and she says 10K?
Depende slik pero wala parang...
No, say she's super hot. 10K.
10 over 10 siya.
BMX.
Pag-iipunan mo ba?
As in like someone that's out of your league.
Sky.
Oh.
Si Sky.
Siguro mga 5K, pwede na yun.
Tumawad pa.
5K discounted, di ba? 5K na lang.
No, never mind.
Kasi meron kanya, di ba? Yung girl all the way or kan lang, hanggang HJ lang.
You are funny, Jojo boy. You're on a different level.
Nung ka daw sa QAV, sabi ni DJ Demi.
QAV, man. Dirty HIV, marami daw.
Actually, not just them, but in general, there's so many HIV cases.
You posted the the pregnant.
Yeah.
Dami.
So many
with HIV.
There's just too many. Ingat kayo if you guys are sexually active.
Ingat kaayo.
Condom. Jojo, mag-condom ka.
Yeah.
So, are you Mr. Condom?
Ay, tongue twister.
Sorry, yeah.
Are you Mr. Condom, Jojo, or no?
I know. I use condom, but pero minsan all the way.
Putik, Jojo. You like it raw?
What? You don't use condom. You liar.
Wrong. More wrong.
This guy's a thug.
Oh, Mr. Raw.
Nahihirapan na si Jojo. Ginigrill niyo siya. Sabi niya, mag-tongue twister na.
Tongue twister. Kasi linggo ng wika.
Buwan ng wika.
Hello.
Okay. Ito yung tongue twister natin.
Oh my God.
Boys.
Wait. Oh my God. I want to hear you say it.
Okay,
go.
Kakakanan lang sa kangkungan sa may kahuyan si Ken habang kumakain ng kakaibang kakanin kahapon. Kakakanan lang sa kangkungan sa may kahuyan si Ken habang kumakain ng kakaibang kakanin kahapon. Kakakanan lang sa kangkungan sa may kahuyan si Ken habang kumakain ng kakaibang kakanin kahapon.
Shit.
But we can read that, right?
Yeah, you can read it. Of course.
Jojo,
hindi natin memorize yan.
Okay.
Okay,
Jojo, ikaw muna.
Ako muna, sige. Kakakanan lang sa kangkungan sa may kahuyan si Ken habang kumakain ng kakaibang kakanin kahapon.
Oy, fairness!
Kakakanan lang sa kangkungan sa may kahuyan si Ken habang kumakain ng kakaibang kakanin kahapon. Kakakanan lang sa kangkungan sa may kahuyan si Ken habang kumakain ng kakaibang kakanin kahapon. Kakakanan lang sa kangkungan sa may kahuyan si Ken habang kumakain ng kakaibang kakanin kahapon. Kakakanan lang kangkungan sa may kahuyan si Ken habang kumakain ng kakaibang kakanin kahapon.
Oh man, good luck to me.
Snakes.
Man, good luck to me.
God.
Yeah.
Slick, you got this.
Can I hear it again?
Kakakanan lang sa kangkungan sa may kahuyan si Ken habang kumakain ng kakaibang kakanin kahapon.
Gosh.
One more time.
That's so quick.
I'll make it slow. You want?
Yes.
Okay. Kakakanan lang
not gonna help him.
sa kangkungan sa may kahuyan si Ken habang kumakain ng kakaibang kakanin kahapon.
Kakanan. Okay. Kakanan lang sa...
Kakakanan. That's 3 kakas.
Kakakanan lang sa kahuyan si...
Kangkungan!
Ay. Kakakanan lang sa kangkungan sa may... Sa may...
Kahuyan.
Kahuyan. Okay. Kakakanan lang sa kangkungan sa may kahuyan si Ken habang kumakain ng kakaibang kakanin kahapon.
Okay.
Kakakanan lang sa kahuyan sa may
Kangkungan!
Ay, kakakanan lang sa kangkungan sa may kahuyan si Ken habang kumakain ng kakaibang kakanin kahapon.
Nice.
Kakakanin lang sa kangkungan sa may kahuyan sa si Ken habang kumakain ng kakaibang kakanin kahapon.
Kakanin.
At least I was good towards the end.
The end, you were okay.
Pero yung yung first, no.
Okay. Ako din. Gagawin ko rin.
I need condition.
Okay, here we go. This is how it's done, boys.
This is tough, man.
Kakakanan lang sa kangkungan sa may kahuyan si Ken habang kumakain ng kakaibang kakanin kahapon. Kakakanan lang sa kangkungan sa may kahuyan si Ken habang kumakain ng kakaibang kakanin kahapon. Tones, go. You got this.
Galing.
Si Ken.
Tones, your turn.
Okay.
King.
Grabe to.
King.
Hindi King. Si Ken.
Okay, ang King.
Kakakanan lang sa kangkungan sa may kahuyan.
Kahuyan.
Sa kahuyan.
Kahuyan.
Si
Yan.
Ken habang kumakain ng kakaibang kakanin kahapon.
Nice.
Wow!
Nice. Good job, bro.
This is top.
First part is hard. Second is medyo okay.
Kakakanan lang sa kangkungan sa may kahuyan si Ken habang kumakain ng kakaibang kakanin kahapon.
Nice. Kahuyan, not kahuyan Kahuyan.
What's kahuyan?
A place where there's wood. Kahuyan.
Kahuyan. Kakakanan lang sa kangkungan sa may kahuyan si Ken habang kumakain ng kakaibang kakanin kahapon.
Okay.
My gosh! Kakakanan lang sa kangkungan sa may kahuyan si Ken habang kumakain ng kakaibang kakanin kahapon.
Okay.
Very good.
Mali pa rin. You said kahuyan.
Kakakanan lang sa kangkungan sa may kahuyan.
Kahuyan. Sa
may, si Ken habang kumakain ng kakaibang kakanin kahapon. My God.
Everyone enjoyed that one. I'll play back.
Kakakanan? Is it kakakanan?
Kakakanan. Parang kakakanan means you just turned right. Kakakanan.
Shouldn't there be an apostrophe there?
No.
Kakakanan.
No.
Okay. Kakakanan lang sa kangkungan sa may kahuyan si Ken habang kumakain ng kakaibang kakanin kahapon.
Okay. Kahuyan. Not kahuyan. Kahuyan.
Kahuyan. So wood.
Yes.
So wood.
Kahoy Oo, kahoy.
Kakakanan. Okay, let me do this one more time perfectly.
Wait.
Go.
Okay.
I believe in you, bro.
Kahuyan, not kahuyan.
Kahuyan. Okay.
Kahuyan.
Kakakanan lang sa kangkungan sa may kahuyan si Ken habang kumakain ng kakaibang kakanin kahapon.
Nice one, Tones. Good job.
Very good. Very good, brother.
Good job. One more. Next.
Yeah, pwede. Let's go.
Shit ka.
Let me get tissue.
This is fun.
Okay. Okay. We'll play a song and then come back with the second edition of
because it's Buwan ng Wika.
Yeah. My goodness gracious.
Maraming salamat po. Sa mga nagkikinig dito sa Magic.
Yan.
Maraming salamat sa inyo. Malapit na.
Anong station ID? Yun.
Tangkilik dito.
Pag bahi ka.
Mahi ka?
8, 9, 9.9.
Is there another word for magic? What's another?
Salamanca.
8-9.
Punto 9.
Puente. Yeah.
Punto 9.
Oh, 8 siyam.
Walong siyam. Okay. Walang pipitik kay George.
Walang pipitik.
All right, we'll get to a song and come right back with round 2 of Pinoy Slang. Buwan ng Wika
Edition. Sa Magic 89.9.
Tony, Slick, Gino, and 10. Boys Night Out. Magic 89.9.
All right, there you go. Sud with obviously. They were in Japan just recently performing. They're back
Tapos
now.
na ba?
They're back. So we have our second round. If you guys are joining us, Boys Night Out for Buwanang Wika. We have Tongue Twisters.
Tang Twisters.
And this one looks really long.
Mas mahaba yung kanina. That was longer than this.
But this one has NG, right?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Yun ang...
That's a tough one.
Yun ang...
Ayaw mo.
Yun ang NG, MG, yun ang ayoko talaga. That's the...
This one's just for you, Tones.
Oh.
Especially for you.
Sige, Tones goes first.
No, but Tones goes last.
Yeah.
Kasi this is his ano.
Okay.
Gosh. Okay.
His struggle. Okay, here we go. Maya-mayay, mamamanhikan si Aman sa mayamang si Maya, malamang sa harap ng maraming mamamayan.
Sheesh.
Maya-mayay, mamamanhikan si Aman sa mayamang si Maya, malamang sa harap ng maraming mamamayan.
Again. Again.
Maya-mayay, mamamanhikan si Aman sa mayamang si Maya, malamang sa harap ng maraming mamamayan.
What does this mean?
Later. Mamaya, right? Maya-mayay.
Mayang-mayang.
Maya-mayay.
Mayang-mayay.
Maya-mayay.
Wow, that's deep.
Mayay-mayay.
Go, Jojo.
Okay.
Sige, bagal muna.
Mayay-mayay.
Maya-mayay.
Mayay-mayay.
Maya-mayay.
Mayay-mayay.
Maya-mayay.
Maya-mayay. Mamanhikan si Amang sa mayamang si Maya, malamang sa harap ng maraming mamamayan. Mayay-mayay.
Maya-mayay.
Maya-mayay. Mamamanhikan si Amang sa mayamang si Maya, malamang sa harap ng maraming mamamayan. Maya-mayay.
Nice.
Mamamanhikan si Amang sa mayamang si Maya, malamang sa harap ng maraming...
Mayamang si Maya.
Mayamang si Maya, malamang sa harap ng maraming mamamayan. Mayay-mayay.
Maya-mayay.
Maya-mayay. Mamamanghikan si Amang sa mayamang si Maya, malamang sa harap ng maraming mamamayan.
Nice one, Joe.
That's 1 minute. Perfect.
Okay.
That's 1 minute is long. That's long, man.
Okay, here
we go. The expert.
Slick.
Oh my God. Is it good?
Mayam-ngayay, mamanhikan si Aman sa mayamang si Maya, malamang sa harap ng maraming mamamayan.
Nice. Okay, again.
Maya-mayang.
Maya-mayay.
Ay. Maya-mayay. Mamanhikan si...
Mamamanhikan.
That's
3 mamas.
okay. Maya-mayay. Mamamhikan si... Mamaman. Okay. Maya-mayay. Mamamanhikan si Aman sa mayamang si Maya, malamang sa harap ng maraming mamamayan. Maya-mayang.
Maya-mayay.
Maya-mayay. Mamanhikan.
Mamaman.
Maya-mayay. Mamamanhikan si Aman sa mayaman si Maya malamang sa harap ng maraming mamamayan.
1 minute. That was 1 minute 15 seconds. Oh my gosh.
Go for it, DJ Tones.
My gosh.
I believe in you, brother.
Canadian.
Oh my goodness. This is this is like the worst ones.
Yes.
Maya.
Siyempre, pick the worst ones, di ba?
Mayay.
Maya-mayay.
Maya-mayay. Mamamanhikan si Aman sa mayamang si Maya, malamang sa harap ng maraming mamayan.
Nice one, Tones. Konting stumble lang. Okay, more.
Again.
Gosh!
Let's go, brother.
Maya-mayay. Mamamanhikan si Aman sa mayamang si Maya, malamang sa harap ng maraming mamamayan.
Good job. More.
Mayay-mayay.
Maya-mayay.
Mayay-mayay.
No, why?
Maya-mayay.
There you go.
Maya-mayay. Mamamanhikan si Aman sa mayamang si Maya, malamang sa harap ng maraming mamamayan.
Mamamayan.
Shos. One more time.
Shos.
Mayay-mayay.
Maya-mayay.
Maya-mayay. Mamamanhikan si Aman sa mayamang si Maya, malamang sa harap ng maraming mamamayan.
Nice one, Tones!
Very good, Tin. Thank you very much
More on Monday!
for that.
That's the hard.
Stressful.
No limitangre, no limitang.
Huh?
No limitangre, no limitangre.
Oh, yeah.
Kinatatakutan.
Kinakatakutan.
Kinatatakutan.
Mali ka pa.
Kinatatakutan.
Are you really Filipino, Joe? Baka naman yun, your Phil-am pala.
The Visayan accent is so hard because we're not used to speak Tagalog eh. Yan yung problema.
May pinapatry sa'yo si DJ Demi, Joe.
Ano yun?
Kabilugan ng buwan, buwan ng kabilugan.
Kabilugan ng buwan, buwan ng kabilugan. Kabilugan ng buwan, buwan ng kabilugan. Kabilugan ng buwan, buwan ng kabilugan.
Yeah, he's done that before. We've had that.
Sanay ka na eh.
Kinatatakutan. That's the hard.
Kinatatakutan or kinakatakutan. Well, they're both real words.
Yeah.
Okay. Good night.
Thanks for joining us.
Hi to Vice Gov Mark Leviste.
Oh, Vice Gov.
Good evening.
On his route to Manila. He's coming home.
Maynila.
Ingats.
Be safe.
Come visit us, Mr. Loverboy. Alam ko,
In love si Vice Gov.
Sobrang
In
in love.
love.
Sobrang in love. He's really a lover boy.
Yeah.
Galing. Jojo, you should copy him.
Oh, si Vice Gov.
Loyal, loving, caring, sobrang alaga.
Vice Gov.
Yeah.
Ganon ka ba, Jo? Ganon ka ba magmahal?
Ganun eh, pero wala. Naiiwan tayo. Pero okay lang yan.
Di ba ikaw naman yung nang-iwan dati?
Oo.
Last mo. Ikaw yung nakipag-break,
Ikaw
di ba?
nag-break eh.
Oo, break. Pero okay lang yan. Pero darating naman eh.
Totoo, I believe that, Jo.
You didn't want to fight for it?
Okay lang.
No?
Not worth it.
No.
Not worth it.
Parang you just gave up that.
Pero
wala na, over na si Jo. Di ba nga nag-bumble agad after a week?
Oo nga eh. Bilis.
Let's say
How do you get over? Can you teach me how you get over so quickly?
Whoa.
You teach me that. Ikaw yung
Well, damn! Throwing shade! Damn.
What's
Hi
your
to
secret?
Davidson. Hi, Bishi.
Davidson! What's up? Also to our playback viewers, listeners, thank you so much.
Playbackers?
Question.
Oh, shucks. Yeah, condition stick.
We'll give this to one lucky
Playbacker.
What's the question?
What the flavors that are coming? There are two flavors that are coming. So the flavor now that's in Manila, that's in the Philippines, is green apple. There are two flavors that are coming. And original. So two more are coming in. What are those two flavors?
This is for you guys.
Cinnamon, playback.tv/mango899. Mango899 ang putik.
Mango899.
Oh, may winner na.
Joe the Mango
899. Lorenzo, congratulations.
Lorenzo, please message direct.
Yeah, message direct.
Midnight Love.
Oh, we'll keep it. I'll keep it for now.
Okay.
Sige.
Congrats, Lorenzo. Please message direct that you won. A screenshot.
Manga 899.
Sorry.
Manga.
Playback.tv/manga899.
All right. So thanks for joining us the whole weekend. We'll catch you
week.
This weekend.
Weekend ka na agad, Slick.
This weekend.
Tonight it's album. It's the album launch of Russell in Hype Club in Tomas Morato. Goodness gracious, I can't believe I'm going there. And then tomorrow it's Emo Night.
That's right. In Poblacion.
And then Silo on Saturday night. And
Millennial Club.
Yeah. And then
Medusa muna. Kain muna tayo.
Yeah. Okay. And then Sunday, what's going on Sunday? I don't know what's going on Sunday. And then we'll see you guys Monday.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you
go. Sa mga nag-aabang na kung i-address namin yung article, hindi namin na-address.
Nagulat. It was shock.
Bahala na.
Na-shock ka, Jo?
Na-shock ako. I just read the article. Sobrang.
Alright. Shock ka. Shock din kami.
Shock ka? Ako rin eh.
Na-shock kami lahat.
Shocking.
Nagulat ang lahat.
We're done.
My name is Slick Rick.
This is Tony.
My name is Tin Gumboa.
Enjoy your Love Survivor.
Good night, everyone. Be safe. Take care.
Happy weekend.
Happy weekend.
Be safe, okay?
Jojo, you have a favorite
We love
song?
you.
Never mind.
Oh, follow us on TikTok pala. Boys Night Out.
PH?
Boys Night Out PH.
We're also Boys Night Out PH on Instagram. Okay. Tin _Gumboa for me.
May Instagram pa ba?
And
Love Survivor
_Slick Rick. Ano?
Love Survivor Instagram X, di ba? Love Survivor.
Are you on Threads?
Threads. Love Survivor. Meron din.
Meron din.
Meron Threads.
YouTube mo?
YouTube,
Wala pang bago.
Jojo Survivor. I just
pang bago.
finish the hosting of podcast pa rin sa akin. Nag-guest lang ako.
Saan?
Sa Tito Senpai Podcast. Like a
Ano?
podcast.
Tito
Tito Senpai
Senpai
Podcast. It's like a local podcast lang.
Nice one, Joe.
Good job.
So yun lang ita-type nila to
Hello,
search it.
yeah.
Tito Senpai and
Yeah,
Jojo, the Love Survivor.
Ayan.
Also saying what's up to the guys of Overland Kings.
Hi, Joel.
Joel, what's up, Pape?
Oh, he was telling me that he was in Junior Jock with you. Under you? Yeah. I met him over the weekend.
With me?
Yeah. With you and Teta daw. Or you trained him or something like that.
Long time ago. Yeah. Tama.
Hi, Joel.
Condition.
Hey,
Thank you.
hey, guys, a condition.
Condition PH. Condition_PH on Instagram for more information.
Bye-bye.
Naka-block na siya sa Bumble. Yeah. Yeah, girls, just block him.
For solicitation.
Good night, everyone. Be safe on the road.
We love you. Good night.
Peace.
Tony, Slick, Gino, and 10. Boys Night Out. Magic 89.9.